teenagers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave.
Hello, excuse me. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Can see that I'm so excited right now. Yes, I'm so excited because I want to install the longest hair I have ever installed. The longest hair I have ever worn. Okay, the longest I've installed, the longest hair I've installed, I think is 28 or 30 inches, but this wig is 32 inches and the density is 180, and this wig is bomb.com. okay, it is bomb.com. all right, why I said it is bomb.com? Because the quality is insane. The texture of this hair is insane, believe me. So guys, I present to you
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
This is the wig right here. The wig came with some goodies. It came with a wig cap and pair of lashes. I have never installed a wig that is this long. So the wig is water wave real 13 by 4 HD transparent lace wig. In their website, they have from 18 to 36 inches. So the one I want to install is 36 inches. So if you're not in for long hair, if you are for short hair, don't worry, they got your back. Because they have in their website, they have up to 36 inches. All right, the one I want to install right now is 36 inches long and it's natural black. Their delivering is from 3 to 7 working days. Let me bring the hair. Let me stop talking, blah, blah, blah. Let me bring the hair out because I'm so excited. If you stretch this hair, since it's 36 and it's water wave, if you stretch this hair, I think it will be up to 40 inches. The knot of the lace is not bleached, so I'm going to use hair brush legs on it. The hairline came pre-plucked. You can see the hairline is plucked. They plucked the hairline. And inside, I said it's 13 by 4 lace wig. You can see the inside. It came with some combs here and an adjustable strap, like I said. Okay, so let me show you guys how long the full length of this. You can see this is the full length and it's very, very long. It's okay. This is it. Be the lazy girl that I am, this is what I use. So I'm just going to spray this all over the lace, then I'll come back to show you guys. Okay guys, you see this hole here? You know what happened? It fell on my hot comb. Thank God that it's just this side, not the real inside. It would have been a problem for me. So just the edge that I'm going to remove this. I'm going to cut this off, but thank God. So guys, this is it on. I'm going to clean all these white you're seeing is the hairbrush legs I use on the lace that stained the hair. I'm going to leave the link to the unit on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. You can see the texture and the hair is very, very full. Woo! You can see this. Is so full. This is so full and the hair is soft, so soft. And let me see if there's shedding. You guys know normally coily hair shed a lot. Yeah, there's shedding. See what came out of it. And what I want to do with this hair, I want to install it in a very easy way. You guys know I don't crack my head when it comes to installing of my wigs. I do what is best for me and what is quick for me. Okay, I'm not a hairstylist. I do what I find that is best and easy for me. You can do the same thing. You don't need to crack your head. Okay, especially if you are not an hairstylist. No need cracking your head. provided the wig you install it and it's fine. If you're an OG, you know how I cut off my excess lace. You guys are not new to that, so let me do that off camera to save time, then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've cut the excess lace from it. I decided to cut it before installing the wig, before applying my gel, because each time I apply my gel and the gel dry down, when I want to cut, I always injure myself, excuse me. I always injure myself, so that is why I want to do it this way. I'm going to use this one and this one, the two together, to lay the wig with my hand.
us no more. We don't know us no more, no, no. to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard